I hate it when my wife starts singing when she gets mad. Do it. You ain't gonna do shit, nigga.
You ain't gonna do shit, nigga.
You ain't gonna do shit, nigga. You ain't gonna do shit. We got to the top of the castle, Daddy. Somebody had to go.
I got to the top of the castle, Daddy. There was too many people. Somebody has to go.
I love it when you said, I hate babysitting other people's kids. It's too much pressure.
That's all you do. Sit around and listen to shit.
I know y'all in that toilet.
Hey!
Oh, he said she had no nipples. Oh, gasm bus. Not today. It's going down.
Man, I got too much on my mind right now. Not today. Just sit behind me when he go to class.
Go, 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 go. I don't know what just happened. I don't speak Spanish. I'm scared. A lonely white bitch in this house.